Hi, I'm Abbas Hayes from the Epson Micro Devices application team, and I will go over our latest precision real-time clock RTC module. Besides just keeping accurate time, the RX8901 will also support many of the key housekeeping functions to many of the MCU on the market today. And in this demo, I will show it performing these functions for TI's 16-bit MCU, the MSP430F. Epson RX8901 provides time, calendar, timer, alarm, interrupts, and timestamp functions for the MCU. It has an integrated digital temperature compensation technology, which enables high accuracy clock over a wide temperature range. It is also important to point out that at Epson, we are one of the few RTC manufacturers that have an integrated quartz crystal inside the RTC module. While many of our competitors RTCs use external quartz crystal that will require time-consuming calibration. When it comes to power, if main power is lost, the RX8901 will automatically switch to battery backup while only consuming less than 200 nanoamps. And once main power is restored, it will switch back to main power and will also timestamp the power loss event. Additionally, the RX8901 enables the MCU to go to low power standby mode when not in use, and can also wake up MCU from a lower power mode to perform a scheduled operation. The RX8901 has event detect functions and 32 timestamp function that can be used for diagnostic or security application. This timestamp function is perfect for recording and storing times and dates of abnormal events, such as system errors and warning signals, and will also detect and record signals generated when an error or emergency events occurs, like a power outage. Finally, the RX8901 has a frequency out function that enables it to provide a highly accurate 32 kHz system clock for the MCU. And it can also select additional output frequencies for other functions like 1024 Hz and 1 Hz PPS. Now let's jump into the demo. Here is the RX8901 demo box. Here we have the demo with its respective buttons. The side buttons are for scrolling and selecting from the menu screen. The big green button is the power on-off switch. The red button simulates any trigger event. The three rear black buttons measure the MCU supply current, the RTC supply current, and backup battery and charging current. Now that we know our way around the demo box, let's turn it on by pushing the power button. And now from the menu, you can see the correct time and date. Let's get started by selecting the alarm function. From the main screen, select View Alarm Setting, and for the purpose of this demo, now we will select only 1 minute to activate it. After the amount of minutes has expired, then the LED will flash 10 times to indicate it is activated. Now let me demonstrate the wake up timer function. From the main menu, select View Wake Up Timer. Then I will select 30 seconds. Then I select Enter CPU Sleep Mode. This will put the MCU into sleep mode, and after 30 seconds, the RX8901 will wake up the MCU. Now let me demonstrate the event detection and timestamp functions. From the main menu screen, select View Event, then select Initialize Event and clear any previous event. So yours is the first in the queue. Then press the red button 2 times to simulate 2 triggers of a system event. And it's important to note that the 2 event dates times have been recorded in the event queue. Now let me demonstrate the loss of power event detection timestamp function. From the main menu screen, select View Event. We can see that the RX8901 was able to record time and date when the demo lost power. On the next page, we can see that the preceded 2 simulated trigger events have also been recorded. Continuing, let me demonstrate the RX8901 frequency output function. From the main menu screen, select F-out control. Then I can select either 1 Hz, 1024 Hz, or 32 kHz, or just simply turn it off. Then you can see the frequency output on the frequency counter meter. Now let me demonstrate the MCU supply current. So for this, just press the rear black button and read the current meter, which should show supply current of approximately 15.5 milliamp. Now, let's put the MCU in standby mode and observe the drop in current. Now, let me demonstrate the RX8901 RTC battery charging current. From the main menu screen, select Enable Disable Charge, then press black button and observe current meter battery charging current, which should read around negative 1.2 milliamp. Finally, let me demonstrate the RX8901 battery backup current. So for this, from the main menu screen, select Disable Charging, then turn off the demo by pressing the green button. Then press the rear black button and observe less than 0.2 microamps backup current for the RX8901. Well, this will conclude the demo for this device. I hope this brief introduction and demo of the Epson RX8901 has been helpful. And if you require more information, please contact our Epson sales representative.